Planning a trip and the luggage is costing you a small fortune again? Tired of your suitcase being practically a family member? Introducing the Magellan vacuum bags, which allow you to pack all your goods in a carry-on bag and forget about bulky suitcases. Unique sealing and air pumping system allows you to compress your luggage without a vacuum cleaner. The bags allow you to save up to 60% of luggage space and pack more. Using its convenient plastic clasps, even children can open a Magellan bag easily. The bags add no extra weight, unlike similar packing solutions. Feel the difference by storing your clothing in Magellan bags at home. The sealed shell will protect them from dust and moisture for up to 45 days. And the special antibacterial material will keep mold and foul odors away. Clothing keeps its form after unpacking without wrinkles, so you can wear it right away. The Magellan bags come in 4 sizes, suitable for any task. Leave some space for something that truly matters. Magellan. Things go well.